Hi! Welcome to Each Chowtime. Today is a Saturday at naisipan ko magluto ng pork chop for our lunch. Frying is not really my forte, so I tried to recreate Kuya Fern's juicy pork chop. So let's go over with the ingredients, and we will start first with the brine solution. Well, it is no longer a secret, but to make a successful and juicy pork chop is to brine the meat. Ano nga bang brine? Brine is a technique that involves soaking the meat in a salty solution prior to grilling or frying. So, bakit natin siya kailangan gawin? Well, if you really wanted to achieve that juicy pork chop, then do the brine. This process will retain the moist and will give an extra flavor to your meat. Now, after we combine the ingredients for our brine solution, we just have to boil it and cool it down for about 20 minutes. Now, let's go over and score our meat. Now, you might ask again, anong scoring of meat? Ito yung paghiwa ng bahagya sa baboy to avoid curling once we start frying or grilling our pork chop. Once the brine solution has cooled down, kunin natin ang pork chops at ibabad at least 1 hour or overnight na nakalagay sa fridge. Now, we are going to prepare our wet rub. I used about a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of paprika and ground pepper, tablespoon of soy sauce, and canola oil. So, para saan na naman to? Well, this is just a personal preference rather than using a breading mix. We are just going to brush the wet rub onto our pork chops once we are ready to fry or grill. For me, this brings out the flavor that we are really looking for a pork chop. Kunin ang nakababad na pork chop, then strain and get rid of the excess solution. Yung iba binabanlawan pa nila, pero dahil hindi naman ganun karami ang toyo na ginamit, di na natin kailangang hugasan. Now, be generous when brushing the pork chops with our wet rubs. Prepare our pan and add about a 1/4 cup of canola oil and set the heat to medium-low. Fry our pork chops 7 to 8 minutes each side or depende sa kapal ng hiwa. So there you have it, my juicy and flavorful pork chops. I also made a dipping sauce to complement my chops. Let me know in the comment section box below if you want to know how I made my dipping sauce. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Each Chowtime. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. If you have been watching my videos and have not yet subscribed, then please hit the red button and be notified of my upcoming videos. To my lovely subscribers, give me some love and hit the like button and share. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!